The Stent Radial Force interactive calculator determines radial forces and mechanical properties for coronary stent design. This calculator offers 6 calculation modes: calculate radial force from geometry, calculate required strut thickness, calculate radial stiffness, calculate chronic outward force, calculate required material modulus, and calculate elastic recoil percentage. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate radial force from geometry. The input fields include strut thickness in millimeters, strut width in millimeters, nominal stent diameter in millimeters, number of crowns, elastic modulus in gigapascals, radial deflection in millimeters, target radial force in newtons, crown angle in degrees, vessel diameter in millimeters, and deployment diameter in millimeters. Let me walk through a calculation using these values. Strut thickness 0.120 millimeters, strut width 0.100 millimeters, nominal stent diameter 3.0 millimeters, number of crowns 6, elastic modulus 196 gigapascals, radial deflection 0.30 millimeters, target radial force 0.50 newtons, crown angle 60 degrees, vessel diameter 2.7 millimeters, and deployment diameter 3.2 millimeters. The calculator returns a primary result of 1.505 newtons, radial stiffness of 5.02 newtons per millimeter, force per crown of 0.2509 newtons, and strut stress of 261.3 megapascals. The status indicates radial force within typical range for coronary stents. This tool streamlines complex stent mechanics calculations. Find the link in the description below.